Here we will write a program to find sum of elements in a list. For this, first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. Then we will define the list. So L equal to, we will assign the elements. Then we will print the list elements with print L. Then we will define two variables, total and E, which are initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while E less than length of L. Here we will use length function to find the length of list, and here we will add total equal to total plus L of E, that is each element from the list, and we will increment the E. So E equal to E plus 1. After this we will print sum of list elements. So F for formatting, and we will print sum of list elements. Then we will save it. We will name it as sum of list element or sum of list.py, and we will execute it. First it will print list elements and then sum of list elements. Instead of printing the list elements, initially we can print it in while loop. So I will make comment here, and inside this while loop I will print L of E, and if we execute it, it will display list elements serially and then sum of list elements.